Apparently we got another package from Stuart. Wonder what's in this. Ooh. Ooh, so anybody here got a death wish? Or maybe some Meyer lemons. Ooh. I think we might have to make something good with these later. Hello. Oh, a very nice Deneen pottery.
Wow.
Ceramic mug. Death Wish coffee. This is going to be fantastic to use for the Death Wish coffee that's in here. I think we're going to end up having to grind some of this up, and there might be an espresso machine to use this with, if not the Chemex.
Yeah.
So we might try this with the Chemex first and see how it does, and go from there, if we're still alive.
I mean, I got a death wish.
Right?